What's up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Let's get after it. Hold on 1 second. Let me just get this sent out on Instagram, and then we're ready to rock. Thank you for the subscribe. Cool. I will say, today should be interesting. I went on a little side quest this morning to go get caffeine. Had to walk half a mile, and guess what? It took me to a non-existent place. So, your boy did not have time to get caffeine. That's why I pushed the whole live stream back so I could be awake. Now we're just going to have to trade with no caffeine. So today definitely should be a pretty interesting day if I say so myself. But as far as yesterday, very, very quickly caught a beautiful trade on ES futures yesterday for FOMC. So if you guys remember, we've been talking about this daily supply zone for a while now. Beginning of the zone was 57.55.25. I set in my watch list yesterday, going into FOMC, I'm looking for a reject, ideally at the beginning of the zone. And guess what? That was the exact high yesterday. Unfortunately, I did not catch this entire move down, but I did catch a nice little piece out of it. It was literally like a 30-second trade, made 425 bucks. So, not going to complain. 425 in 30 seconds, but could have been a lot more. Anyways, let's go ahead. The top end of these levels. Yeah, you guys are going to hear me with no caffeine today. So if I stutter, if I'm like acting like I'm brain dead, just ignore it. Understand that I have no caffeine in me. All right. But yeah, so pretty much with, I could DoorDash actually. Actually, no. I'm banned off DoorDash. That's a good story behind that. We'll talk about that later. But yeah, if we can clear 57.85 on ES, I have no problem looking for upside. I mean, I'm even willing to look for upside now because we have pretty much cleared the supply zone. So all those orders are getting filled. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning. This could be a potential bounce area right here between 57.25 and 57.30. So we'll see what happens down there. We do have a bunch of demands below that. Yeah, a bunch of them. But nothing on the 4 hour, 2 hour. Not that I see. I do think that the 1 hour 21 EMA could come into play today. So I will definitely watch that. Around 57.40. Again, we do have our zone right here. It does look like we did break and retest it in the overnight session. So 1 hour 21 EMA, and then this overall area right there. And again, if we start clearing 57.85, look for more upside. We actually do have a 30-minute demand zone as well in this general area. I'd actually prefer that 30-minute. Let's see if we have it on a 45. Yeah, we do. It's actually a little smaller of a zone. Okay. So let's see, this is 45. If you remind me later, I'll tell you the story behind DoorDash. It's back in my reselling days. $30. Cool. So let's see what happens in this overall area. We do have that 1 hour 21 EMA confluence as well, plus the demand. My dog's being a spaz behind me. Cool. All right, so ES we're good, and QZ24. And then we'll have to hit up SPY and QQQ. I mean, really with NQ, I just look for more upside because remember, we talked about this daily trend line that we had. We broke it. So, I mean, there's really, we don't have much resistance at all. Besides, we actually do have a zone right here. There to there. Yeah. So 20154, 20251. Ideally, going to watch the beginning of the zone. Okay. So we got that. We do have smaller zone inside of there. Oh, let's get live for everybody on TikTok too. Haven't been live on TikTok for a little bit. Yeah, so we got that. And then as far as a bounce, we do have a small 1 hour zone there. I think I'd prefer that 1 hour 21 though. Yeah. Also a nice little 45-minute zone. Let's mark it real quick. I want to see if we have confluence with that 1 hour. How'd everybody else do with FOMC yesterday, though? Make money, lose money, take no trades. Yeah. And then, yep, the 1 hour 21 EMA is right above it right now. It could end up dropping. Live day trading, go live, bingo. Okay. All right, so we're good there. And then we have SPY. Same thing. We use the ES levels, but we're at all-time highs. Look for the retest of the 1 hour 21 EMA. What did we have? Was it 30-minute, like a 30 and 45-minute zone, which we actually cannot see on SPY. Yeah, so we got to use ES as far as SPY, and then QQQ, we had that misprint into the 1 hour 21 EMA, so it's going to mess it up. Same thing. And then uptrend entries above pre-market highs. So ES and Q were good. Let's take a look at some individuals very quickly and then get this watch list typed up. Apple gapping up. Hit that 50% retracement the other day. I didn't even see that. Man, I've been waiting for that level. Rip. AMD. Amazon, I still gap up. Could look for a break of 190.3 maybe. Meta, however. Oh, is that all-time highs? It is. Okay. So Meta new all-time highs, pull back towards 544.25 to even that 1 hour 21 EMA. I do like that a lot. So let's see, we have ESZ24. We have NQZ24. Meta. NVIDIA actually doesn't look too bad. If we can break above that trend line, potentially. And then we had Tesla, which has that gap fill. Okay. So I think actually we'll need Tesla above there. But yeah, Meta and Tesla. And then of course we have our ESNQ, SPY, QQQ, all that good stuff. So let's get all this typed up. That's how you make a watch list in 7 minutes. All right, so ES. Now it's 1 hour 21 EMA plus demand from 54 or 5743.25 to 5735.75. Potential double top reject at all-time highs. And Q uptrend entries above pre-market highs or bounce 1 hour 21 EMA. Meta uptrend entries or bounce off previous all-time highs at 544.23. Tesla watching for a break above 235.7 or gap fill entry. Perfect. All right, Team Bull, you guys got the watch list. Post it up for YouTube channel members real quick. Now we got 20 minutes until market open. Let's see, boom. Give it to you guys in the live stream as well, so you guys have it. You have the exact levels I'm watching for the day. Yes, thank you. Meta and Tesla, boom. What y'all want to do for 20 minutes now? All right. And let's see, Meta, SPY, QQQ, NQZ, ESZ, SPX. Let's join the Zoom real quick. Hold on 1 second. The coffee's not close. Not close at all. I'm actually in a swing. I'm in BMY, Bristol Myers. Put it on yesterday. Let's actually see. See how much they would charge me through Uber Eats for a coffee. If it's something stupid, then I will, I guess just be tired. Only thing that sucks is I'm gonna have to go down and get it. It's gonna be during market hours. Whatever. All right, we in the Zoom. Yeah, I mean, Nvidia looks good, but oh, apparently I got free money on Uber too. I'm gonna be pissed if there's a setup when this comes. Oh, never mind. We gonna thug it out. I'll live. We gonna thug it out. All right. Hey, 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 hey. Wasn't lack of planning. It was my Google Maps. Blame Google Maps, not me. All right, so we're in the Zoom. We're good there. No, I'm just gonna watch key levels. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Nah, it should be fun with lack of caffeine. It's always a fun day when you don't got that, right? But yeah, looks like we're trying to push right now. It's 2-4. Let's yes, light. There it is. Okay. Oh yeah, we think we should do some of that. Psych. Yeah, I'm hoping this Bristol Myers just nukes this morning. What's up, Grizzly? What's up? Not much, chilling. All right. Yeah, what questions you guys got till market opens? Grizzly just rubbing it in, huh? Yeah, it just gives you like a more precise area to watch inside of that fair value gap. Just as long as we have our pivot high, pivot low, I'll draw it. Forgot to say good morning, everybody in Team Bull. How's everybody's morning so far? What's up? Let's get it. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to communicate with Bookmap. There's actually a lot of really cool stuff that Bookmap's working on right now. So you guys are going to see a lot of videos on that. Um, they have this auto trader that they're working on right now that I've been playing with. Definitely needs a lot of work, but it's pretty cool. There you go, Don. We have to use the ES futures today just because Spy had that weird little candle in the morning that kind of screwed everything up. So we're mainly going to watch ESZ, and then if you're going to trade Spy, just base trades off of this, and then NQ. 45 and 30 minute for the demand zone that I'm watching. Oh, thank you for the money gun. Whatever that does. I'll take it. Bristol Myers looks good. Got the buy signal, got the squeeze. Holding the 21 and 34. All balance volumes kind of breaking out of this little wedge that we got. It got a nice little symmetrical triangle. First price target 51.20. And ideally, I mean, looking for more upside after that. But looks good. Always. Real quick, if you guys haven't already, everybody in TikTok, make sure you're following if you haven't. And then also everybody in the YouTube, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Go live every single morning. 8 a.m. Eastern Time, give you guys a free watch list for the day, plus do some live day trading periodically throughout the week. So if you're not subscribed, definitely missing out, and over 1,100 videos on this channel teaching you on how to trade. Can't go wrong with that. You're gonna hear me yawn a lot today. But I'll be back in a second. Let me get a sweatshirt, and I'll be ready to lock in. Hold on. Let's get it. I am back. 5 minutes to market open. All right. Gotta minimize the chat. It's time to lock in. Time to lock in. Could actually also look for a retest of SPY at 5687. I'd be willing to watch that.
Let's go, let's go. What's going on, everybody? What's up? Some ingredients? Good morning.
Alright, we're turning down the zoom.
Right. Rats and white tiger, Mike. Steve, Patron, Tahoe.
There we go.
Fast, Irish, Fake Canyon, Ricky, BBC for Richmond L. Reach, Walker, let's go. Grass, so many things. Lots of Savage, Donald, Spurman, John, see Barry, Armies, and GE, Dave, what's up, everybody? John, let's go! This gallon is wild. The upside 10 points. I can see a big gap like this. The upside.
1 minute.
You guys got anything on watch today?
Five, 785. What's up?
So, yeah.
How you doing?
Just trying to figure out my game plan, what I want to do today.
Rip calls off the open. Actually, full port calls.
Maybe like a bouncer on yesterday's high, like 560, 8.7. I'm excited to. What do you guys think? What do you guys have on watch for levels?
I'm gonna watch yesterday's high for a bounce, but then other than that, the 1 hour 21.
It's definitely not be short this pump right there. Yesterday's 571 calls and today at 0.13. Let's see what they open up at today. 0.13 to 1.7 has been bananas. 1,000% plus. The open's about 5,700 G though. maybe I can watch for a 5,700 bounce. 5690. I'm on full board cash.
Gonna watch this meta 544.25.
Or yeah. For daily, if we can break above that 485, you got some nice run. Didn't say my set up.
I do want to watch and see what happens with QQQ if it gets the VWAP.
Daily reminder. I watched that resistance zone from yesterday at like 4. It's a little far up, you know, TPT like 478 and it's 460, 568. So 568 and 5, we should see some sort of sports kick in.
Alright, we're right at the VWAP. Still watching, I'll say if I take it.
Do you think it's moving? It's moving. I haven't tried to enter anything. Obviously not, but I mean, the price is moving.
About to see how this 5 minute candle closes. The 2 minute did not confirm.
You'd be able to get it sold to you pretty usually the sell them to you.
All right, if we're gonna bounce, it's here. Still watching. No entry. We're also at 5,700.
Oh, yeah, I got a face it. I've never seen that.
Mm-hmm. Feel like they're gonna try to bounce it, but not enough conviction behind that to take it.
But the cost of them to 90, approximately 9 millions. With other buying.
Huh. Contracts aren't really moving too. What is that? That's like a 50 cent push on QQQ. Contracts moved. I mean, you probably entered at 1.87, $10. Might be a futures kind of day.
Home, where's it good now?
I'm also keeping an eye on that Tesla. Jado, and you see Tesla? Yes, sir. It's in the gap fill. I'm gonna watch it for a pullback.
It sucks that the first opening candle was 4 points down, 3 points up in the gap area. Don't try to play side first. Not yet, not entering right now, but when the next time comes, I'm gonna try to play sides. Pull back a little bit.
Contracts aren't really moving today on QQQ. So, yeah, I mean, unfortunately, this was the bottom. What I would have liked to see to actually take the trade was more volume on this 618 reclaim. Had we gotten more volume, elevated like somewhere up here, absolutely, that would have been a trade I took. But, yeah, unfortunately, it did not give us that. We'll wait for the next setup.
Damn, it's a high day. Got some interesting divergence between SPY. Well, they're taking key in here. Approach, okay. Is the fix now? Try one. SPY goes, try one.
Yeah, I mean, those contracts really did not move how they should have. Off of, what was that? Like $1.20 move. They only moved about $40, like 15%.
So on. There we go. It's working. Oh, $10, $5.
But yeah, let's watch this Tesla. If we get a pullback, definitely interested. There we go. I figure out how to turn that off. That was annoying me. True, we are in a gap fill, I believe. Or we're about to be. As far as SPY. Yeah. Gap fill is yesterday's high. 5687. So I'm gonna watch that. 5687. Get the 569s pulled up.
Nice job, Savage.
You guys watching this 5687?
Not having the gap almost overnight. If we forgot to test it. have a solid sign to bring them back up all ready to go, but I don't
Yeah.
want to get caught in a falling knife.
If we get a nice reaction, I'll take it.
Yeah, it's actually a nice reaction. I'm gonna bounce this right into this area tonight. It was 56869. I'm gonna bounce up to 566.5. It's $18,000 day. Let's go. Absolute beast.
I'm gonna see if we can reclaim the level with strength.
Not taking the bounces. Not yet.
I'm personally gonna give it a go. Stop out below 568.40.
So you're trying balls right now.
Yes, sir.
Pull up now.
I like how we close on that 2 minute. I like how we close on that 5 minute too, especially on ES. If we take out that low, we have to cut it.
Calls into that.
Yeah. No, we gotta cut it. I'm out.
So you got out.
Yeah. I'll watch one more area, and that's
So you're going for a quick entry. We break the rule, you know. All the watching calls we break the rule by 571.
I got one more area that I'm gonna watch. It says 5739 level.
Sound at your gap level to bring it to close. Gap level. Oh, yeah, 4, 5, 600. 5, 600 there.
See what happens when we get there. Went a little closer to 5743. Shit, I was muted. I was muted.
No mercy.
I was muted, but I personally gave it one more go. If I strike out and go 0 for 2, I'm going to call it a day, but we reclaim the level on SPX. We got a 5-minute flag. Looking for this push-up. Spot calls.
You looking for blood strictly? Question is this BS would be 700 retest for blood.
Personally, going to take a trim up here. Now I'm just going to keep my stop at break even. If we hit VWAP, I'll trim again. There we go. I'm going to take another trim up here.
Nice job, nice reaction.
Thank you. Keep the stop loss break even still. $570 is going to be the ideal price target.
Nice reaction, Brando.
Thank you. What was that?
Look for entry at 569 area, like you said.
Around that area, like 1.75 on the contracts.
Nice.
So 1.75 to like 2.10. Contracts aren't really moving like too much today.
Nice.
But let's see what we get. Again, stops are break even. We're at the VWAP. Take a little more off.
Turned out 5,700 for the
I know, but we're right at that VWAP and that 618 on SPY. If we can blast through 570, then we could absolutely see that high a day.
lose the ass. 5,700 SPX is probably besides losing it.
Grizzly just texted me saying if we get high a day, he'll buy everyone's steak.
That would be you going making money right now.
I had a losing trade first, bro.
Still wants everyone else to pay.
That's right.
What's that? Start calling you Mr. Krabs, bro. Bro, it's cheap.
Get out of here.
Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs is Brandon's next name. Mr. Krabs is Brandon's new name.
What were we saying, Grizz? Nah, dude. You can sleep on the couch. Gotta break this 570 if we want more upside. We're up $60 a contract here. Goes to show you could be right about the setup, just wrong timing. You can always re-enter. And keep my stop loss and profits. Did you guys catch the re-entry? Hopefully. Yes, sir.
Next level. Yes, I. So, genius. And bang on it.
Sounds like you're paying for dinner. Let's get this high a day. 571, or we stop out in profits. Still would like to see if we get that high a day.
Let's go. I did not get on the Tesla though. Let you know if I did. I did not. Pull back to 35.5. But not really on the pull back I wanted. We technically have one on the daily chart. We have room to like 246. We still don't want to chase this thing. I know that's super great trading Tesla this year.
Just getting close to hitting my stop. Oh, it hit it. I'm all out in profits. All out. Damn, that Tesla is nuking today. All right, well, everybody in the live stream, I am going to call it a day here. So, 2 trades, 1 loser, 1 winner, slight profit on the day, nothing crazy. But that goes to show that you can have the right idea about a trade, just wrong timing. But you can always re-enter. So yes, it sucks. We had to start the day off with a loss, but we re-entered and we were able to capture that move up. So no complaints. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day here. Take my little lunch money. Just hang around for a little bit with Team Bull, but likely not gonna take another trade. Just keep what I got. But yeah. Everybody have an amazing day. Make sure you guys tap in tomorrow for more live day trading. Make sure you're following on TikTok, subscribed on YouTube, all that good stuff. I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Peace.